In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo in Pandadoc. Adding a logo is a simple way to make your document look professional and consistent from the first page to the last. The method you will use places the logo in the header or footer area, which means it can repeat automatically across every page in the same document. This is especially helpful for proposals, contracts, and any multi-page file where you want your branding to stay visible without needing to reinsert the logo again and again. To begin, open the document you want to work on in Pandadoc and go to a blank page area, so you have a clear view of the page layout. Next, move your cursor to the very top area of the page or the very bottom area of the page. Then double-click in that top or bottom margin space. This action opens the header and footer editor, which is a special editing mode that lets you place content that can appear consistently on each page. Once you are in the header or footer space, look for the option to insert an image. Click Image and make sure you are placing it inside the header or footer area, not in the main body of the document. Placing it in the header or footer is what allows it to repeat on every page. Now upload your logo from your computer. After the upload completes, the logo will appear in the header or footer, and it should automatically show up on every page of that document. If the logo appears too large or sits too close to the edge, take a moment to adjust its placement within the header or footer area so it looks clean and balanced. A good rule is to keep the logo clear and readable, with enough spacing so it does not crowd your text. When you are satisfied with how it looks, simply click back into the main document area to continue editing your content as normal. Your logo should remain in place, giving your document a consistent branded look from start to finish. That covers everything you need to know.